All right, we just want to make sure we start XAMPP. I know I've been doing this forever, but sometimes XAMPP will stop on you. So you want to get in the habit of just making sure you start XAMPP and making sure it's still running. Otherwise, you will not even be able to pull up your WordPress website. Okay, so we're just going to go to localhost web WordPress in our Google Chrome browser. And there goes our website there. We're just going to add a post, or we added a post. We're actually going to edit our post. We just want to format it some. We're going to see. Let's click visual so we can see what we're actually doing. That's the cool thing about WordPress. You don't have to be a programmer in order to edit and format your WordPress posts. For instance, we're going to type this in bold. Hello. I like working the gas station. I'm just making up stuff just so you can see how we get to format our post in WordPress. And I can center it. I can bring it over to the left by clicking up here. Let's see what else. I'm just starting a new line, and I'm just going to say below are the reasons why I like working at the gas station. And I'm just going to make an unordered list. And as you can see how I clicked right here to make my list. And the first list reason is doggy treats. I'm going to try to center this. And as you notice, this dot is not moving over. So let me just try to see how I can make this. Well, I'm having problems getting the dot to move over. This seems to be an inherent problem with my theme. As you can see, it brings the first one and then the other ones are okay. So you may have to trick the website into, doing right. But yeah, I'm trying to see if I can work this over here, and this doesn't look like it's working. In this case, when you're having problems like this, you may actually have to edit the actual text. Right now we're editing in visual, so you probably have to go in text and dabble around with it. I'm gonna just leave it like this for now, and I'm typing in italics, and notice I'm putting a note here. And I'm just basically saying that list aren't the only reasons why I work at the gas station. So if this dog Cody's telling you, there's other reasons, you put a little happy face there.